Alright traders, let's get straight to the point. If you're scanning for stocks that should be on your radar today, I've got 4 tickers you might want to check out. Centene Corporation, CNC, Novo Nordisk, NVO, Fiserv, FI, and lululemon, Lulu. Now, quick disclaimer. No wild breaking news for these picks today, but sometimes no news is good news, right? Let's kick off with Centene, ticker CNC. This healthcare giant has been a quiet compounder, riding the wave of steady sector growth and a focus on managed care. If you're after solid defensive plays, CNC deserves a spot on your watch list. Next up, Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO. Diabetes and obesity medications are their bread and butter, and that market isn't getting smaller anytime soon. They've got strong fundamentals and a track record of innovation that's tough to beat. On to Fiserv, ticker FI. Think of them as the backbone of digital payments. As more businesses go cashless, Fiserv's tech keeps humming along in the background. Steady demand, sticky contracts, what's not to like? Finally, Lululemon, ticker Lulu. Not just yoga pants, this brand has built a loyal fan base, expanded globally, and keeps reinventing athleisure. If consumer trends are your thing, Lulu might just stretch your portfolio's potential. So, CNC, NVO, FI, and Lulu, 4 stocks worth your attention today. Do your own research, stick to your strategy, and happy trading.